Not so long ago, we told you on front page about the famous AI gold rush analogy. When everyone is digging for gold, sell the shovels. Nvidia became the ultimate shovel seller. Microsoft, Google, Meta, OpenAI, Anthropic, XAI, Amazon, Oracle, they're all buying the shovels. But here's the question nobody was asking. Who is selling the shovels to Nvidia? Because Nvidia doesn't magically manufacture AI infrastructure. Clearly, it depends on a vast supply chain. TSMC builds the chips. But there's, of course, another component that may be even harder to replace, which is memory. And thanks to AI, 3 memory companies have become trillion-dollar giants: SK Hynix, Samsung, Micron. The world has entered the age of the trillion-dollar memory club. But before we, of course, take a deep dive, please make sure to make yourselves quite comfortable, because this, I promise, is going to be long and worthwhile. Also, please make sure to like, share, subscribe. All right, now that you've done that, all set? Here we go. So something extraordinary happened this month. SK Hynix crossed the $1 trillion market cap milestone, which puts it alongside Samsung and Micron, which also crossed the $1 trillion mark during the AI boom. Now, for quite some time, memory was considered one of the worst businesses in semiconductors. Highly cyclical, low margins, constant oversupply, devastating price wars. Investors loved these companies during booms and abandoned them during the crashes. But today, the same industry is producing trillion-dollar companies because of 2 letters: AI. Yes, every modern AI system is essentially a memory problem disguised as a computing problem. So everyone talks about GPUs, but GPUs are useless without memory. So imagine building the world's fastest Ferrari and giving it a 1-liter fuel tank. Quite the analogy. Anyway, that's what a GPU without HBM looks like. HBM stands for high bandwidth memory. So it is the ultra-fast memory which is sitting right next to the AI processor. Without it, Blackwell doesn't work. Rubin, Google TPUs, Microsoft's AI supercomputers are all useless. HBM has become the oxygen of AI infrastructure. The biggest winner? SK Hynix. Just 16 months ago, SK Hynix was valued below $100 billion. Today, it is comfortably commanding over $1 trillion, which is a 10-fold increase. Its stock surged more than 250%, and at one point, it controlled nearly 60% of the global HBM market. Counterpoint estimates put SK Hynix's shares around 57% to 62%. So in simple terms, if you're buying an NVIDIA GPU today, there's a very high probability the memory inside came from SK Hynix. And this is where it gets very interesting. NVIDIA's rise and SK Hynix's rise are very deeply connected. So when NVIDIA crossed $5 trillion in market value, most people focused on Jensen Huang. Very few people looked at the suppliers enabling that growth. NVIDIA's upcoming Vera Rubin architecture depends heavily on HBM4. Now, HBM4 dramatically increases memory bandwidth. Rubin can deliver nearly double the memory throughput of previous generations because of it. And guess, well, who leads HBM4 production? Yes, you're right, SK Hynix. Now, for years, NVIDIA and SK Hynix have effectively co-evolved. One builds faster GPUs, the other builds faster memory. Basically, one cannot scale without the other. Then comes Micron, the only American company in this club. For years, Micron was viewed as the underdog, a commodity memory maker. Boom and bust, nothing really very exciting. Then, guess what? AI happened. Micron became the only US-based supplier of advanced HBM memory. Today, it controls roughly 21% of the global HBM market. Its customers include NVIDIA, AMD, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and Apple. Even more remarkable, Micron's HBM supply for 2026 is reportedly already sold out. Every chip module is already spoken for. The market isn't buying memory anymore. It's actually starting to reserve memory years in advance, clearly because of the demand. Samsung was the first South Korean company to cross the $1 trillion mark. Yet, in AI memory, Samsung found itself in an unusual position, playing catch up. For decades, Samsung dominated memory. We know this. Then HBM arrived and SK Hynix executed better, faster yields, better manufacturing, closer alignment with NVIDIA, more HBM3E supply. Today, Samsung holds roughly 17% of the HBM market. Still quite massive, let's not forget. But well, it's still behind, quite behind actually, SK Hynix. The good news for Samsung though, HBM4. Samsung started HBM4 shipments in early of 2026 and is now supplying memory for NVIDIA's Rubin platform. This could become Samsung's comeback story. We're saying that with a lot of hope. Everyone, of course, talks about the GPU shortage. But the next stumbling block may well be memory. Goldman Sachs recently estimated the DRAM market could face one of its tightest supply cycles in over a decade. The projected supply gap is approaching 5%, and things get even tighter as companies move away from traditional DDR4 memory and shift manufacturing capacity toward HBM. So more AI, GPUs, and more HBM demand with a lesser available supply. A recipe for pricing power. Now, for years, everyone assumed AI would create trillion-dollar model companies, and it has, yes. OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, Meta, NVIDIA. But AI is also creating trillion-dollar infrastructure companies, the picks and shovels businesses, if you will. The companies most people never really talked about. Also, the companies hiding behind the logos. And let us not forget, the suppliers behind the suppliers. And that's exactly what's happened with memory. So now, when people talk about AI, they usually talk about ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, agents, reasoning, AGI, let's not forget that. But none of that happens without memory. The AI boom didn't just create a trillion-dollar NVIDIA, it created a trillion-dollar ecosystem. TSMC became indispensable. SK Hynix, indispensable. Samsung, well, joins that list. Micron as well. And the next time somebody tells you NVIDIA is selling the shovels during the AI gold rush, ask them a very simple question. Who's selling the shovels to NVIDIA? Well, because those companies are becoming trillion-dollar giants too. Please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. Yes, like, share, subscribe, and always remember, as memory goes, think AI, think AIM.